Where are we gonna go later?
Uncle Andy's house.
Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Who else are we gonna see?
A new Christmas.
New Christmas?
Yeah.
Who else are we gonna see besides Uncle Andy?
My
What's
friends.
your friends? Yay! Which friends? What's their name?
Travis and Kyle.
You're right! Yay! You like Travis and Kyle? Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding, you silly? Alright, that's it. Bye.